Here I am in my generate invoices screen, and I'm attempting to put in an invoice for progress billing. So I have my lines down here, my project contract lines. I'm going to scroll over, and for line 1, I actually have 19,700 that's left to bill. I'm going to attempt to overbill that by putting in 20,000. And if I hit create invoice, I'm going to get this error telling me that I attempted to bill more than the maximum billing amount for project contract line number 1. And this is exactly how we want the system to function. We do not want to overbill on project contract lines. So if that is something that you need to do, if you have the need to overbill on a line, then you actually have to go back and edit the line or use a change order to up the amount so that you can do that billing. So we don't want to overbill on lines, and that is expected functionality. So it's going to have to be either a change to the contract line to up the amount or use a change order to get that overbilling in.